Hello dear, it's Chris. This is our oil tank compressed packing machine. Let's check the machine together. This is heating fabric and silicone tube and rubber. And here, this is safety wall. And here, this is a big motor. It's 5.5 kilowatt. A big motor. We can imagine how strong powerful machine. This is solid valve. And most important for our upgrading is cooling fan installed for the motor. The main usage is for cooling the motor. So even in continuous working hot days, don't worry for heating problem. You can see our machine quality. This is our newest version compressed packing machine with big, powerful, and lower air supply needed because you say it's mainly working driven by oil tank, not by air cylinder. It's much powerful and stronger. Thanks for watching. Welcome to contact us for more information. This is Chris. Welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos of our new machines. We uploaded our machines videos every week. Thank you for your time. Bye.